Today we are going to make roasted coconut chicken curry. The ingredients are garlic, ginger, black pepper, bay leaf, coriander powder, cardamom, garam masala, turmeric powder, fennel seeds, dry chili, shallot, tomato, green chili, curry leaves, put the garlic, black pepper, bay leaf and fennel seeds, and the turmeric powder, garam masala and other ingredients into the grinder with the red chili. Grind well. The set of ingredients to be roasted are grated coconut powder, dry chili, coriander powder, a small amount of fennel seeds, curry leaves, black pepper, shallot, garlic and green chili. The final ingredient is chicken cut into small pieces, 300 grams. Heat the pan and put in the grated coconut, bay leaves, turmeric powder, coriander powder, shallot and other ingredients. Salt until the whole coconut turns golden brown. Put the remaining turmeric powder and salt. Now the coconut is almost golden brown. Now all this can be put into the grinder and ground well. After sauteing for 2 to 3 more minutes. The mixture of garlic, cardamom, spices, dry chili and others has been ground. been ground into a fine paste. This can be used as a base for the curry. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. And salt. Salt until the shallots are golden brown. Put in the green chili and the curry leaves. You put in the tomato. Put in the ground garlic and other spices. Salt to taste and mix. Put in the chicken pieces into this. And mix so that the mixture is completely mixed with the chicken pieces. Pour in 2 cups of water and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Now transfer the roasted coconut, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cardamom and garlic into the grinder to grind. Now the roasted coconut and other has been fully ground. Now it can be poured into the curry. Pour in the roast and ground coconut mixture into the cooking chicken mixture and mix after 20 minutes of cooking. Let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. Mix everything well and cook further for 5 to 10 minutes. Put in the curry leaves and let it cook. Now the roasted coconut curry is chicken curry is nearly ready. Now the roasted chicken coconut curry is nearly ready. Now it can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final roasted coconut chicken curry. A very nice and tasty dish.